Someone's mowing their yard in the background, and I know you're going to probably hear traffic. But also listen for these birds. Ever since moving to our property, I'm just starting to notice birds. I've never really been a big bird person. And now I hear them everywhere. They're everywhere. I see them out of my kitchen window. And I started noticing there were so many different kinds. And they make the most beautiful noises. And I know I'm not telling you anything you haven't already thought yourself. But wow, I'm just really starting to appreciate the birds. Just listen just a few minutes. We've had a lot of company come to our house just to see where our new place is, to see where we live. And it's so funny because whenever my friends come over, they're noticing the birds. And I guess it was because it was winter and things when we were moving in. I noticed some birds, of course. I especially noticed a woodpecker that seemed to be always in our trees going after them. But I didn't really notice this many birds until it started being spring. And they're just everywhere, and I love it. One of my friends came over one day and she's looking out my kitchen window and she's like, oh, there's a bluebird. Oh, there's a yellow finch. And I told her, well, without glasses on, or even if I put the glasses on, I was having trouble even seeing the birds they were seeing. But now that I've started noticing them, I just love it. I love it. And then yesterday, a friend came over and she started noticing the birds, of course. It's the first time she'd ever even been to our property. And she started saying, oh, that's a mockingbird. Oh, I hear this bird, I hear that bird. And she was naming them. And I said, oh, how do you know all these birds? You know, how do you know what they are and when you hear them? And she said, oh, I have an app. She said, I'll show you. And we put the app on my phone. And y'all, I'm enjoying it so much. This is what it is. It's called the Merlin Bird ID app, and it's made by Cornell University, the Cornell Lab. And it is fantastic. You can identify birds by either taking a picture of them or by sound. You just pick like how you want to do it. Start your bird ID and you press the button and it finds out your area and it'll know the birds in your area. So it'll start listening for the certain birds that are in your area. And it's so interesting. And then you can either take a picture of a bird and get an ID, or you can just hit a little microphone button and turn on a sound ID. That's what I've been doing. And it just starts listening and telling you all the birds that it's hearing. It is so funny, and it can pick up the littlest thing. And then it'll list them like this. This is the birds that's been coming up on my list. And the one that's actually making noise at that time, it'll highlight it in yellow, so it changes all the time. So that's a little bit about the app, and I just love it. Now, I have absolutely no connection to this app, endorsing anybody or anything like that. I don't have any connections to any company. I'm a free bird. So I think I see a little bird up there. Yeah, there he goes. Might have been a mockingbird. I'm learning a little bit. That might have been a mockingbird. So I have absolutely no connection to anything like this. I just love the app. I just thought it was just wonderful to be able to walk out here. And now when I hear these birds, I'm going to kind of get to where I know which is which if I pay attention to what the app is saying. And yesterday, it told me that in that one about 12-minute recording I did, it said it picked up a northern mockingbird, an American crow, a Carolina wren, a blue jay, a tufted titmouse, a northern cardinal, an eastern meadowlark, a red-winged blackbird, a northern flicker, which is a woodpecker, a fish crow, a Carolina chickadee, and an eastern bluebird. Now, I mentioned on one of my videos that I could hear crows and how I love to hear the crows because it reminded me of being at my great-grandmother's house who lived in this area many years ago. But what I didn't know until I got this app was that I had different kind of crows flying around. I really didn't even think about it. A crow's a crow to me. But I come to find out, I have American crows and I have fish crows. And never in my life have I even heard of a fish crow. So anyway, now I'm not real good yet at knowing the difference between the two. But at least now I know I have different kinds of birds. So if you can get an app like this to recognize the birds in your area, I think it's just so unusual. I know it does the app for the United States for sure. It's from Cornell University, which is a United States university. So I know it maps around the United States. I did not test this app for all it can do. I have no idea if you're from another part of the world. I don't know if it will find your location and find all the birds for that part of the world. I have no idea. But maybe just try it and see, or there's other apps on there. I'm sure if you just Google bird identification apps, I'm sure many things will come up. There's my azalea bushes going crazy right now. All across the south, we have our azaleas going crazy right now. So it's just beautiful. So that's just a little something I've come across this week. I'm probably so far behind on technology and the availability of things like this, but it's just something I thought was so very beautiful, and I thought you might like it. I'm learning that these are robins. I'm pretty sure these are robins. Got them all in my yard over there. Another one out there. Right here. Well, as I'm back here this morning listening to my birds again, they're more prevalent toward these woods. So as I'm back here, I'm just enjoying it. I hope you enjoy your own home place and that you really start paying attention to the birds. This has just made it feel so much more peaceful and at home here to know that I have so many different varieties that are around here, so many different species, and I want them to have a welcoming place to come. So I'm gonna work on that. Y'all have a great day and have a very, very peaceful day. Bye-bye.